9 years it sat there. Just a single line of code, buried deep in the Linux kernel. Waiting. A 0-day, capable of giving anyone root access on almost any Linux machine, all with a script, barely over 700 bytes of Python. They're calling it Copy Fail. CVE-2026-31431. Discovered by Theori, and dropped publicly on April 29, 2026. This isn't some crazy multi-stage attack chain. It's a simple logic error, a straight-line mistake that just works, every single time. Back in 2017, a crypto module in the kernel, AljaFaid, got an optimization. They tweaked it to make encryption a bit faster. That tiny change broke a fundamental assumption about memory safety, and nobody noticed for 9 years. Most privilege escalation bugs are a royal pain. Race conditions, memory leaks, specific kernel versions. Copy fail needs none of that. Just a regular user account, and a script smaller than your average git commit. The script tells the kernel to do some crypto work. It abuses an internal wiring error. The end result? It writes 4 bytes of data. That data? It can be pointed at any trusted program, like sudo or su. The next time anyone runs that program, boom. Root access. No passwords needed. No fancy footwork. Just a 9-year-old bug quietly running on every server you own. And this isn't just about your personal laptop. Think about shared dev boxes, jump hosts, build servers. Anyone can suddenly become root. It's a 100% success rate. Kubernetes. Container clusters. One compromised pod inside a container. It doesn't stay contained. It escapes to the host. It reaches into other tenants. Full host compromise. CI runners. GitHub Actions. GitLab. Jenkins. A malicious pull request. A compromised dependency. It doesn't just break the build. It gets root on the runner. And then what? Cloud platforms running user code. Notebooks, agent sandboxes, serverless functions. One tenant becomes host root. Your supposedly isolated environments? They weren't as isolated as you thought. The page cache. That's the critical piece. It's shared across the entire host. So a process inside a container can use this bug to compromise the underlying server. No containerization magic stops this. Here's the truly sneaky part. The corruption never touches your hard drive. It lives entirely in memory. Reboot the machine, and the cached copy reloads clean from disk. All evidence? Gone. No forensic trail left behind. You image the disk. It matches the official package hash. Perfectly clean. Forensic teams will find absolutely nothing. The machine just wipes its own tracks every time it restarts. March 23, 2026. Reported to the Linux kernel security team. April 1st. Patch committed to mainline. April 22nd. CVE assigned. April 29th. Public disclosure. Once it was found, the timeline was incredibly fast. But for 9 years? 9 years of silence. 9 years of millions of machines running this ticking time bomb. While you were busy fortifying your network, the very foundation was already rotten. They call me the AI godfather because I've seen every single one of these coming. The simple mistakes. The obvious blind spots. The optimizations that turn into 9-year-old 0 days. You want to see the future? Look at the past. Patch immediately. Update your kernel. If you can't do that, run a quick command to disable AljaFaid. Shut the door on this specific type of bug for good. But the real lesson here is always the same. You are only as secure as the silent, forgotten code running beneath it all. And sometimes, that code has been waiting for a decade.